There's so many great vegetables in season right now. Carrots, peas, sweet potato, cauliflower. Today we'll put them all to good use and make 4 delicious soups with local seasonal ingredients. All soups we'll make today will be really easy and quick to make, with all easy to find ingredients. Of course, they'll all be fully plant-based and wholesome. That means we'll use no milk products, no oil, nothing packaged, bottled, tinned or canned. Only fresh ingredients easily found in nature that come straight from nature. And I promise you, they'll taste absolutely delicious. Now the question is, when can you have a soup? We recommend that instead of eating grains for dinner, have a light soup for dinner. When you eat a heavy dinner full of grains like roti, dal or rice, your body keeps working all night to break down and take out that food from your body. All night your body is in digestion mode. But when you eat a light dinner like a soup or salad, your body quickly digests it within 3 to 4 hours, and so it can spend the rest of the night for healing your body. You will see that just by making one small change in your life of replacing your dinner with a light soup, you will need less hours of sleep at night. You will wake up feeling extremely energized and be active throughout the day. Okay, so let's start with the recipes. The first soup we're going to make has been a favorite in our home since last couple of years. It's delicious and it's wholesome. It's really quick and easy to make. The ingredients you'll need are 1 cup of fresh peas. Make sure not to use frozen peas. Fresh is always better. 1 cup of chopped carrot. Make sure to use red winter carrots for this. Half a cup of chopped potatoes, 2 small bay leaves, half-inch coin of ginger, 3 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of rock salt. Then for the topping, you will need half a cup of fresh peas, half a cup of chopped carrots. Both the peas and carrots have been steamed until soft, and 1/4 of a cup of chopped coriander. This recipe serves 2 people. To make the soup, place the peas, carrots, potatoes, bay leaves, ginger and water into a pot. Cover the pot and cook on a low flame for about 15 minutes till all the vegetables are soft. Then remove the bay leaves from the pot. After the vegetables cool down a little, puree the vegetables until they get smooth. Add lemon juice and salt from the top and mix well. Our soup base is ready. For the topping, add the steamed peas, carrots and coriander to the soup base. You can really garnish it any way you like. And there you have it, a bowl of warm, comforting pea carrot soup. Our next soup is incredibly delicious, creamy broccoli potato soup, made with simple ingredients pureed until thick. Before we go ahead, we need to make coconut milk for this soup. Make sure you always use fresh coconut milk, which you make at home, no packaged milk. So for coconut milk, you'll need 1 cup of fresh coconut chopped into pieces and 2 cups of drinking water. Put the chopped coconut into a blender along with 2 cups of water. Blend them together into a mixture. Then take a nut milk bag or a muslin cloth and pour the mixture into it. Squeeze the bag with your hands like this to take all the milk out from this mixture. We will use this homemade coconut milk later in our soup. Now let's come back to our soup. The ingredients you'll need for the broccoli potato soup are 2.5 cups of fresh broccoli, roughly cut, 1.5 cups of potatoes. Don't worry about cutting your vegetables perfectly because we're going to blend them later. 3 cups of plain water, half a teaspoon of rock salt, 1-inch coin of fresh ginger which we've grated, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 cup of homemade coconut milk. For the topping you need 1 cup of freshly cut broccoli, 2 carrots cut into circles, 4 cups of chopped coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. Both the broccoli and carrots have been steamed. This recipe serves 2 to 3 people. If you want the perfect taste of the recipe, I would recommend you follow the exact measurements that are given using proper measuring cups and spoons, at least for the first few times. Now let's come to the method. First, heat a pot over medium heat. Add the broccoli to the pot along with the potato and water. Cover the pot and let the vegetables cook for about 20 minutes or until the potatoes become fork tender. Then add the grated ginger to the pot, stir it well and let it cook with the vegetables for another 3 to 4 minutes. After 3-4 minutes, remove the pot from the stove, add the boiled vegetables to a blender and blend until smooth. Then add salt and pepper to your soup and mix well. Right before serving, add the coconut milk and again stir. Pour this creamy soup into bowls. Top with steamed broccoli and carrot along with coriander and pumpkin seeds. And there you go. Again, you can garnish the soup any way you like. This broccoli and potato soup is a perfect winter warmer. It's easy to make with just a few simple seasonal ingredients. It's full of flavor and hearty goodness. Our third soup is the cauliflower curry soup. Even if you're not a big fan of cauliflower, I insist that you try this soup. It's flavorful and really delicious. Every time I have this soup, it kind of reminds me of Indian curry. The ingredients you'll need are 2 cups of cauliflower, chopped, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of homemade coconut milk, 1.5 teaspoon of rock salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, and half tablespoon of lemon juice. To make the curry powder for the soup, you'll need 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 inch ginger which has been grated, and 1 green chili chopped finely. For the topping, you'll need 1/4 cup of steamed broccoli and 1/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves. Now let's come to the method. First, make the curry powder by mixing all the curry powder ingredients in a bowl. Mix it well. Then place the cauliflower, curry powder and water into a clay pot. Heat on a low flame for about 20 minutes till the cauliflower turns soft. Once the cauliflower has cooked, switch off the stove, keep it aside to cool. Transfer this into a blender and blend till you get a smooth paste. Take this mixture out into a clay pot and let it heat for about 10 minutes. After that, add salt, black pepper and lemon to it and stir well. Right before serving, turn off the stove and add the coconut milk to the soup. Mix it well and cover it with the lid for about 5 minutes to let all the flavors come together. Garnish with chopped coriander, steamed broccoli or whatever you like and serve. This soup is quite simple and light. It's a fantastic way to utilize the beautiful cauliflowers that we're getting this winter. The fourth soup we're going to make is a creamy sweet potato carrot soup. This creamy sweet potato soup is so rich and delicious and makes wonderful comfort food. Hearty, filling and satisfying. To make this soup, you'll need 2 cups of chopped carrots, 1 cup of chopped sweet potato, 2.5 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of rock salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger finely chopped, half a green chili finely chopped, half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seeds. For the topping, you'll need half a cup of sweet potato which we've steamed, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of rock salt and 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. This soup serves 2 people. First, dry saute the ginger and green chili, cumin, coriander seeds for 1 to 2 minutes till they get fragrant. Add the chopped carrots and sweet potato and stir with the spices to let all the flavors come together. Add water and let it cook for about 20 minutes on a medium flame. Till the carrots and sweet potato become soft. Once that's done, switch off the stove and keep the mixture aside to cool. Then blend the mixture till you get a smooth paste. Add the salt to the blender and blend again. To prepare the topping, dry saute the cumin and mustard seeds on a pan till they become fragrant. Switch off the stove and add steamed sweet potato and salt. Stir it together. Pour the soup into 2 bowls and top it with your favorite garnishing and pumpkin seeds and serve. So there you go, 4 delicious and healthy soups to warm you up this winter. If you have any recipe requests, let us know in the comments below. For more such healing recipes, order the Satvic food book on our website. This book is a food guide that tells you how you can heal any disease just by changing your food without any medicines. It comprises of about 50 healing recipes. The principles in this book are based on ancient wisdom of our Vedas, while the cuisine is designed to best fit our busy modern lifestyle. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for new recipe updates. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.